Since 1991, with the opening up of the economy, 150 million people in India have moved above the poverty line. Yet, in the heartland of India, home to 104 million Adivasis and other indigenous peoples, almost 30% of India's population, have not been able to take advantage of the benefits of liberalization. For the last 13 years, Harsha Trust has been working in some of the poorest districts of India to help the poor solve their own problems, become self-subsistent and self-sustaining, and become economically stable and secure. Harsha Trust is bringing about a transformation in the lives of the rural poor, ensuring a better quality of life, livelihood security, and food security. Harsha Trust is enriching villages in India's poorest areas by working with women's collectives and empowering them to stand on their own feet.
Harsha was set up in the year 2002 to work in some of the difficult areas of Odisha, the most vulnerable areas of Odisha in southern and western parts, where the infant mortality and the maternal mortality was very high.
South Odisha is one of the poorest region in the country with highest infant mortality and maternal mortality. Besides that, there is tremendous amount of natural resource degradation which led to social friction, and the outcome of that social friction is left-wing extremism. So this region has, in spite of tremendous natural resource base, people are facing lot of difficulty to have a decent livelihood.
Our basic objective is to improve the quality of life of the rural poor, and to do that presently we are implementing few models, livelihood models with the poorest of the poor.
Harsha Trust तरफ स्वर्णवती प्रोड्यूसर कंपनी सहयोग पुटुपदर गाँव में भूमिहीन लोक मानी पनीपरिया चाष कर स्वास्थ्य अवस्था उन्नति लक्ष्य रखा से मॉडल रे आमे पुटुपदर गाँव 36 जन लोकों सहित पनीपरिया चाष कराऊँ 600 स्क्वायर फुट जगार से माने 15 प्रकार पनीपरिया चाष करेंगे से सब प्रकार विटामिन पूर्ण पनीपरिया चाष करा जाए लोक सब वर्ष सारा खाइबा को पाई परिबे जहा फल से परिवार सब.
Right now we have developed near about 40-50 model depending upon the resource available with the families and the capability of the families, and at present context Harsha Trust has reached up to 45,000 families in different blocks, and to do this type of activities we are ensuring that people should contribute something for their livelihood and to implement the project.
Mana aya Bilas Gowda तापरे स्वर्ण ज्योति सार आमके परिवार बियन आनी कर देले देबा के आमे जानी नथिलु आज्ञा एते ठाने एतकी परिवार हेबा बोली करी एते छोट जगह ठाने बोली करी सेटा करी करी आमे.
We realized that the southern and western districts of Odisha are the most vulnerable districts of Odisha, and these were unreached. Not many of the NGOs were working in these areas. So we decided to bring good human resource and the people with some kind of a technical knowledge who we realized could come and make a difference in the lives of the rural people here.
Harsha Trust believes that human capital, caring and capable people will transform lives rather than material resources. Harsha Trust, therefore, invests in people, training and deploying capable people with empathy who engage with poor communities to bring about transformation.
I am Dr. Kallul Bada as a BBSc veterinary science graduate, and I have passed out my BBSc degree in 2002. And after passing out from my college, and I directly joined Harsha Trust in 2005 in search of doing some kind of meaningful activities in my life. In that objective, I joined Harsha Trust, and initially I joined in Jaipur team of Koraput district. And after working there in with tribal family, I have find this kind of job is very meaningful and also challenging towards to improve the quality of life of rural poor.
Harsha Trust works for people who are off the map, disadvantaged communities located far from urban centers and markets, with low or no natural resources, without access to basic amenities. It is here in these remote locations that Harsha Trust is bringing about change and empowering the communities themselves to become change agents.
Harsha Trust believes that development may be economic, social or political, can take place only through them and by their own institutions. So keeping that in mind, over the years, Harsha Trust has created people's best institution. And these people's best institutions start at local level, where women self-help groups come together, undertake certain development activities, including agriculture and non-agriculture related areas.
Harsha Trust supports diverse institutions such as women's self-help groups, poultry cooperatives, and agro-horticulture cooperatives. All these institutions are owned and managed by women, ensuring that social stigma about women's capability is broken in markets and in society, providing greater women's empowerment.
आगे आमे बेसी अशिक्षित थिलु आउर एबे आगे हमने आसिकरी हमर विषम कटक समवाय समिति आसिकरी कुकड़ा तमे पालन कर गुणी माँ तमे कुकड़ा पालन कले तुमको भल बाट देखिब हाँ आज्ञा केमती आम पालन करूँ आम तो पैसा पत्र ना पैसा सरकार साहाय्य करिब तमे कर हाँ करूँ हाथ रे टिके लगेब.
Harsha Trust promoting broiler poultry farming is a livelihood option for the landless families and through cooperative development. Now cooperative is taking over all the poultry businesses which provide supply of inputs like chicks, feed, medicine to the household level, and also marketing their bird directly from lifting the bird from the farm out to the wholesale and retail market.
सेमती पाइले हमर पिला मानकू कॉलेज जॉइन करि पारचू पाठ पढ़े पारचू आ डिप्लोमा करि पारचू सब हमर जियो पुओ को मु तीन गोटे दीटा गोटे जियो डिप्लोमा करूची गोटे जियो कॉलेज पढुची गोटे जियो गोटे पुओ न पढुची.
This business is now quite growing, and the turnover about 12 crore business is done by the cooperative in the last 3 and 4 years. And now there is a scope of growing this business up to another 50% by at least 2,000 under new family can cover under these activities. And it is presently cooperative also having share of about 15% in the local market. So it is a very good potential this activity, and we can think of for upscaling this activity in all other state of all other district of Odisha.
सेमते हे करे आमे टिके शिक्षित हे करे गलु एमते हे करे हमर आउ एबे समस्त गां गोला रे टिके भल होउचंती चलुचंती बोल करे हमको समस्त टिके मानुचंती आमे स्कूल को जाई पारचू कोलेस्ट्रॉल मात्र आसी पारला कोलेस्ट्रॉल बे कथा हे पारलु आउ सीडीपी बे आसुची सीडीपी को कथा हे पारलु सेप सेक्रेटरी आसीला सेपरेट सेक्रेटरी को भी कथा पारलु हमर आउ किछि डर भय नाही.
And what we believe that technology can be one of the major instrument for the development. So it is technology based, market linked, sustainable livelihood security that has been the overriding theme which Harsha Trust has taken over the years.
Harsha Trust works to improve food security, ensuring greater availability of food around the year. It enhances paddy and millet cultivation yields through crop and root intensification methods. Average yields have gone up from 7 quintal per acre to 18 quintals per acre. Harsha Trust is helping farmers to engage in commercial vegetable cultivation and building capability by instructing farmers in the use of micro-irrigation systems, adopting improved agricultural practices, and also providing output linkages to sell the produce.
मुई जो चाष करूली आगे कोड़ू तो मांडिया किसी हो नाला पानी सुविधा हाँपाई बोलिक मुई बोर गुड़ करी सरकार तरु मुई यार पनीपरिया चाष करी कोबी कली पटल कली आरे लई झुणक एणे तेणे सब बांगणा फांगणा सब करी मुई खाई पे करी 1 लाख टका मुई पाइली तापाई किस करी नीलगिरी गछ सीटा बिकली गोटे 2 एकर।
Harsha Trust promotes agro-horticulture plantations that not only support families through commerce but also contributes to reducing climate change through retention of topsoil, release of oxygen and increasing biomass. Harsha Trust understands the importance of being green and in keeping in step with nature. The Trust therefore works to improve land and water conservation through various sustainable models, such as staggered contour trench, forest area plantation, contour stone building, and contour earthen mud.
से आज्ञा आसले जे आमर पूरा जंगल होता आम टे काटिक मांडिया टे करूँ मांडिया करके आम दी पकेट मिलूला कि सुविधा हो नाला आज्ञा कुआड़े थे दे कुपिलू आसिक हर्षा ऑफिस काम करके आमको कहले जे नाई बाबू ये गछ लगाओ गछ लगे कौन हम आज्ञा डंगर जगार रही डंगर जगार बंचाई पार्बू ना असुविधा हो पा कौटर मिल पा पाखे कौटी ना बोला ना ना हम तुम लगेबार अच्छी निश्चय तो हम बोला आज्ञा आमर सेटा कराई आज्ञा से जी पहाड़ भी बलिया गच खाली लगाई।
It also promotes the use of renewable energy by creating mechanisms to fund solar energy operated systems.
एले जो दिन आम सपन देखु नु जे इटा आम गाँव में गोटे करंट हम बोलिक लाइट जलियो बोलिक एले आमर जनवरी सुधा आमको काम सरेदेलु जनवरी सुधा आमको काम सरीगला एले गाँ गाँ को घर घर को सब इटा लाइट जलिगला समस्त पिला पाठ पढ़ाई सुविधा होगा।
Harsha Trust implements some few improvement practices on goat rearing, like establishment of proper shade and regular vaccination and deworming, and also develop capacity of the village community service provider on scientific goat rearing management.
From livestock development to health sanitation, from creating value chain services to promoting agroforestry plantations, Harsha Trust is successfully transforming lives amongst the poorest of the poor.
Harsha Trust focuses on enhancing livelihoods of people in this region. It has so far touched the lives of 44,000 families in the last 15 years. Helped these families double their income over a period of time. The question then comes, what do they do with this increased income? Money needs to be spent wisely and responsibly. It should be invested into their future, and this means they need to be incentivated into investing in healthcare and education, and Harsha Trust needs to support the people in this region into doing this.
Harsha Trust engages in 6 ways to bring about change in society. Through social mobilization, it engages with fringe communities and develops human capital, empowering women in the process.
Nandoru Bursiminiaka Naindoru Tila Galipendeli Gurupudoru Tilaranita Nanu Secretary Mange Sobe 2013 Moseta Mamuro Comet Keltake Manaita Hiateri Kamaronda Ma filter Ilaki pipe Sobe drip Hiateri.
By building food security, it helps to reduce hunger and ensures food availability round the year.
एटी प्रथम धान चाष करूँ 2 वर्ष कलार किसी फसल मिलला ना तापर हर्षा ट्रस्ट ऑफिस सार जाक आसिक
କଦଳୀ ଚାଷ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ ଏମିତି ସାର୍ କହିଲେ ଏକର ପିଛା 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ମିଳିବ।
The 50-cent model calls for planting 6 to 10 crops in a small area of just 0.5 acres, laid out in a pattern. The diversified cropping acts as a security buffer against any particular crop failing. Moreover, from the various crops, a family can generate between 75,000 to 1 lakh rupees annually. This model has provided steady cash flow to many farmers and helped stem migration to a great extent.
हर्ष सार मान जमती मत ट्रेनिंग कले से ट्रेनिंग मुझे चिंता कले जे मु निजे 5 पैसा मु घरे पाइबी गोटे 50-60 हजार टका वर्षक बोली मु निजे चिंता कली मु दिने केमती लक्षपति हेबी बोली मु निजे चिंता करूची।
By teaching people best practices to carry out natural resource management, Harsha Trust ensures better management when natural resources are scarce or nearly non-existent.
ए जगह आम मांडिया कपा ए सब लगौल आज्ञा तापर हर्षाल आसिले आज्ञा प्रदीप आज्ञा कहले जे मुनगा चारा देवी लगांतु।
Harsha Trust has done interesting experiments in improving farm productivity. These experiments and the significant learnings that have been created out of these are matter for dissemination with universities so that this can be shared with larger sets of people. Harsha Trust also has set examples in community building and community empowerment, and these two need to be studied and the information and the processes shared so that we can build a self-empowered India.
By building alternative models of livelihood, by training communities in new skill sets and providing linkages with government and banks, Harsha Trust enables communities to become self-sustaining. Harsha Trust has had great success in all areas of operations. It was awarded the India NGO Award in 2008. Help Harsha to make the change. Join us in our endeavor to create a better India.
Sabalo